How was the environment, the service, and everyone?
Amazing, excellent.
Very reliable place, and I feel that they're doing a great job working on applications of students, people for immigration. It's a huge conglomerate. Having seen how your system works, there is no harm in recommending.
My name is Pash Chaudhary, and I got into all of the dream universities which I applied to. And thanks to the dream at BREEO, they helped me a lot. And if you want to join, if you want the best counseling in Lahore, you should join them as well.